There we go. Let's sit here. All right. So I play this whistle, right? And then I got this one. Has these two little lines here. Right? And I got this other one. And the coolest thing about this too, like look at the focus. The focus can change. I can bring things up close. Look, when you play the. I thought that shit was so funny.